Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely well. In my previous video, I have talked about email marketing and how you can collect your target audience email. So today we are going to continue part 2 of that video series. Emails that we will collect today, we can sell it as a service gig in Fiverr. You can see here in Fiverr, there are a lot of sellers who providing targeted audience emails as their service to their clients, and they are getting many sales out of their gigs. So we can do the same. To collect emails, here we will use a tool that will collect targeted audience emails from LinkedIn. I'll put the link in the description for that tool. You can get it. And this tool is developed by developer or Dr. Farfar. After you set up that tool, now you can see at that tool there are some options for us that we can use to filter out emails that we need for our desired purpose. Here we can search with job title, then we can search with country, from which country we want the emails. Then we can put the exact location of that country, I mean the city. Okay, then you can include more keywords here, like if you are searching for doctor or nurse, add here more relatable keywords like dental doctor or junior doctor, senior doctor, surgeon or medicine specialist. So these are the relatable keywords you can apply to use here. I hope you understand this. So depending on that target, it will produce emails for us. Sometimes it asks for captcha solving, sometimes not, but within a few minutes it will give you 100 to 200 emails. I mean, it's all valid emails. It will continue providing you emails based on your target until you stop the list. So after you stop it, you can save it anywhere else with your target audience list name, and then you can use it for yourself. Now here's another thing that I need to tell you is, as we got our email list, these all are valid or not, how to see. So we can apply some tricks here. For the first trick here, we will use our Gmail. So it will go to our Gmail compose, and in here we can paste all the emails, and one by one we can use our mouse cursor to see if there are some photos. So we can identify that these are really valid emails, like this one. If we see here, there are so many emails, but if we point this email, it shows us that it's a valid person emails, but it's really tough to identify one by one valid emails. So instead of that, we are going to use a website. So this is a list of some websites what will give us free check for valid emails. So we can use any of this list from here, and for today I will use this website, emaillistverify.com. so we can sign up with the email and password with this. It's very easy, and then we can upload our text file here. As we are using a free account, so it gives us only 100 credit. I mean, we can check up to 100 emails for this time. So we will just drag and drop that email list here and click on verify, and it will process for a few minutes and shows us that how many emails are here as verified, I mean valid. So we upload 98 emails here, and you can see after processing it shows us that almost 90 valid emails here we got from this tool. So hope you liked this video, and so share and subscribe for more, and you can join our Facebook group Premium Share and visit our website for more details. Okay, see you in the next video. Have a great day.